Have you ever had your favorite piece of clothing hopelessly spoiled by washing? Washing can be a real pain, especially when you need to deal with delicate and hand-wash-only clothing. And it gets even more frustrating when you're on the move. Meet Dolphy, the world's smallest washing device that cleans your clothes with the power of ultrasonic technology. Dolphy is just the size of a smartphone, perfectly portable to fit in any bathroom or travel luggage. Using advanced ultrasonic cleaning technology, Dolphy carefully cleans even the most delicate fabrics without damaging or discoloring, ever. No rubbing, no whirling or stretching, no fading colors, no wearing off. Your favorites will be thoroughly and carefully cleaned from the inside of the fabric fibers by the power of ultrasound. The process efficiently removes dirt and odors. Your clothing will become ultra fresh after ultrasonic cleaning. How does it work? It's amazingly simple. Just put your clothes in any sink or waterproof container. Add water, detergent, put Dolphy inside, then switch the device on and enjoy your free time. You'll see Dolphy glowing blue as it softly cleans your clothes. It works like magic. After about 30 minutes, your clothes are clean and fresh. Rinse them, hang them out to dry, and you can slip again into your favorites. They will look like new, even after many washing cycles. Dolphy's innovative technology has been developed and tested by MPI Ultrasonics Engineering Laboratories in Switzerland. The heart of the device, a powerful transducer, creates and emits ultrasonic waves that are multi-mode, wideband, and progressive. These precisely modulated sound waves travel through water and form microscopic high-pressure bubbles. This process is called cavitation. The tiny bubbles then implode, creating millions of microjet liquid streams. Those invisible yet powerful streams safely wash away all the dirt from the fabric. Dolphy is great for your personals, silk, lace, cashmere, everything that you would normally hesitate to throw into a washing machine. With Dolphy, you can forget about hand washing, damaged clothes, and the hassles of laundry while you travel. Enjoy freshness and freedom with Dolphy.